Probably used to be friends with some of them. They've really lost their minds, mind you. They've put out fake news in the past. They're all around not that.
Manual recording will now start.
But when they
universe of Halo and getting to throw one of those helmets on your Spartan, even with a gold visor, was really awesome back in the day. And when ODST came out, it again in the Master Chief Collection Battle Pass. Right away, there were a few helmets that players jumped to using, especially the more casual players who maybe didn't like matchmaking as much because this was all
manual recording.
65 milligrams of cholesterol, 860 milligrams of sodium, 25 grams of carbohydrates, 1 gram of fiber, 22 grams of sugars, and 21 grams of protein.
My parents and grandparents told me enough. I also saw enough. Believe it. Thrawn Fett says China is unable to ever militarily attack the U.S. Well, so here's some of the rumors, right? We got Steve Deese. He said just got this email from an Atlanta police officer. Atlanta police officers are refusing to answer the radio.
Manual recording will now start.
The county can go screw themselves. If you want a society without police, we'll give you one. Let it burn.
Dead body, but whatever. We aren't tripping over suspects. It's the same all around town. I think we need to suspect everyone of murdering.
Manual.
Well, then wouldn't that make it the exact same thing as dexterity? So which one do I pick? See, this is what I mean. So many games do this crap.
Manual recording will now start.
Well, a lot of games in the mid-2000s had horrendous lighting, not because of technology limitations, but because a lot of art directors collectively lost their...
Manual recording will now start.
Whatever, the game didn't stop me. And hey, look, it works on the undead too.
Thank you.
Manual recording will now start.
Their priests show us.
Now, to Trump's credit, he has talked.
Continuous recording will now start.
Statue recently. I'd like to hear him bring up. Maybe he has.
Manual recording will now start.
He called this out back in 2017.
Jim Inhofe and James Langford, please stand up. All of that wealth that you've accumulated, whether it's real estate wealth or any wealth you can think, is it all